Hi guys, welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. I am back with another interesting video. So this is about the Windows 10 Sandbox software. Okay, now in recent update of the Windows 10 1903 May update, they have released an option called Windows Sandbox control. Okay, so what the feature does is we can run a virtualized environment of the Windows 10 in our real system, like using VMware. Now when it comes to this software, this sandbox control, we don't need to set up complex softwares, any Windows 10 ISOs, etc. It has been done by Microsoft. Just we have to enable the feature and click the feature on the start menu, and in a minute it will be launched in a new desktop environment in our real physical machine. Okay, so as a blind, as a visually impaired, I'm gonna show how to use that feature effectively, but unfortunately right now at the time of this recording I'm not aware of installing NVDA by connecting our pen drive or whatever the way. There are no any ways to share our physical files, physical drive, hard drives to the actual environment. Okay, now I tried many ways, but there are no any ways. So in the future most probably there will be some ways, but you can use the Microsoft narrator to browse, and also if you can download NVDA on to the environment, the sandbox environment, you will be able to install NVDA and use the sandbox environment very effectively. Okay, now since Microsoft Edge and narrator are more accessible than previously, so we can use it without NVDA very effectively. Now without further ado, let's get started. So before using the sandbox, first of all you have to enable the sandbox using the Windows features. Okay, so first off, open the run dialog,
type the name of a program, folder,
by pressing Windows plus R and type appwiz.cpl and press enter.
Wiz.cpl run dial selection.
Sorry.
Wiz. Desktop programs and features folder view.
And you have to press Shift Tab.
Command button uninstall of turn Windows features on or
turn
off.
Windows features on or off. Press spacebar.
Windows features. Okay. Programs.
And
system submenu space. Windows.
Press W.
Windows PowerShell 2.
Until
Windows process active. Windows projected files.
you get
Windows Sandbox checkbox selected check.
You have to check this Windows Sandbox. Since I have checked it, so I don't want to do that. After checking, you have to press OK button.
OK button.
And it will load for a little bit and it will ask for a restart. After that you can use the Windows Sandbox as usual. Okay, so
press desktop. Updates were installed. Close. Desktop. Updates were close. Desktop.
Now
start window.
to open the sandbox, press start and type sorry,
Windows Sandbox app. Press right to switch
just
preview.
type SAND sand and you will be getting this
Windows Sandbox app.
Windows
Press right to switch
Sandbox
preview one.
app. Press enter
Secure desktop.
and allow the permissions.
This PC not selected 1 of 7.
In a minute, about 1 or 2 minutes, that new desktop window will be launched. Okay, so it is currently loading. Let's see.
Running app with desktop.
Now the usages of this sandbox are follows. Okay, now say you have a file which is downloaded from an untrusted source. Okay, now by using this sandbox you can try the file whether it is a virus or not without affecting your actual physical machine. Okay, this is a very useful method. Now if you aren't good at creating virtual machines and playing with virtual machines, this is the best way to play around the virtualization technology. And unfortunately, your system must support this technology. Okay, if your system is not supported, then you cannot use this. And also this will more the RAM, the resources are useful. If you have more resources, the better. Okay, so the sandbox has been launched. Now
Start window. Op64. Whoa, my client. Ops. Whoa, Windows Sandbox. Row 1, column 3.
Windows Sandbox, row 1, column 3.
Op64.
Okay.
Op60. Folder. Ops23.1. Put dismiss as Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox dialog. Pane. Input capture window.
Now there are no any like shortcut keys that I know how to get the input dialog box to the actual sandbox control. So what you can do is, as a blind or visually impaired, you can press Windows plus up arrow at the sandbox window selected. Press Windows plus up arrow, then the sandbox window will be full screened and you can use the system as usual. So let's launch narrator. Now, yeah, Windows plus control plus enter. Now I have done a tutorial about narrator. You can watch
narrator dialog
on my YouTube
OK
channel.
button Alt plus O.
Yeah, simple.
Narrator heading
Now-
level 1. Welcome to narrator. This is narrator.
So
Narrate exit narrate minimize space
Nice. Okay.
taskbar pane
so very straightforward. Now if you want,
Cortana window
let's
G
go to
Microsoft Edge
Microsoft
waiting
Edge.
for opening new tab loading page still loading complete Microsoft pane
Yeah, now if you
D search
want,
or enter web app period
we can go
www period and access
G.
Microsoft Edge loading page
and we
still loading
access.
pane still loading NV access loading complete pane.
This is the
NV.
official website of the NVDA. So yeah, straightforward. Let's try to play this.
New notification from Windows Security. Turn on virus protection. YouTube
virus
video player. Pause. Link. Opening new tab. YouTube. Loading complete. Pane. Complimentary. To Tech with Aryan.
Ah,
A one complimentary YouTube video player. Group.
Yeah.
Can't go back. W. Closing tab. YouTube. Opening new tab. W. Loading complete. Do you want to close space? Desktop
guys,
list. Recycle
this is
bin.
how you can use. Now unfortunately we cannot get our softwares into the sandbox. Now
E.
let's open this PC by pressing Windows plus
E.
E.
File Explorer window.
Here's the
Frequent
disk PC.
folders.
Now there are any drives. Okay,
Recent files. Free music. Start window. Cortana.
Very simple.
Search box. And Alt Connect. Cap M. Microsoft Edge. Cap O. OneDrive. Cap S. Settings. Cap W. Windows Accessories folder. Windows Administrative Tool. Windows Ease of Access. Windows.
let's
Start
go
with
to run.
R. Run dialog.
C
C.
backslash.
Local disk.
Ah.
C window. Items view. Office packages for WDA. EFI. Off. Perf logs. Program. User. Window.
Yeah.
Device. Devices and drives. Local disk. C.
Let's try local disk D.
R. Run D. D. Back. Location is not available dialog.
Not available.
OK. Button. Run dial. Desk.
So guys, but I'm not sure about those controls, how to get the keyboard input to the physical machine, etc. Now most likely in the future we will be able to get some more controls, more keyboard shortcuts, but right now fortunately this is quite accessible, very great. Now the nice thing about this is Microsoft Edge and also Windows Narrator are completely accessible, so we can use the Windows Sandbox control as a normal machine, right? So very useful. Yeah, so this will be the end of the video. Now if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, ideas, please post it in the comment section. It would help me a lot to build up my channel. And if you have any question about this even, you can comment me. I'm glad to respond, or if you want, I would like to create a video about your questions. Okay, so to close this sandbox, simply you have to press Alt F4,
Shut down Windows.
and press shutdown. In a minute the sandbox will be gone. And the nice thing about this is the all of the files which you have downloaded from the internet or
Windows Sandbox dialog, the
modified
connection to the sandbox was lost. Error 0x80.
modified or installed, all of the things will be destroyed. Okay, that is like sometimes it is good, sometimes it is bad. It is dependent on your situation. Okay, so
Start window.
Yes.
Windows Sandbox dialog, the connection to the sandbox was lost. Error 0 no button was at rest. Taskbar.
I don't know what that means. Okay, so
Desktop.
however, yeah, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Signing out as usual, Mohammed Rashad.